Honestly, I should eat some food first, but I'm here. There's a setup. Might as well. I should just do the same intro. I won't. I won't. If you're new here, hi. My name is Lillian. Please, like, comment, subscribe. That's not my intro. Let me try again. Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video. If you saw the last video, you understand the rant. If you didn't, well, finish watching this video and then go for the rant. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lillian. I do videos on makeup, K-pop, and anything random. Usually it's skincare. Sometimes I take you on for a vlog or just kind of recap something that has happened in my life with get ready with me's or shorts, or actually shorts here tend to be only 60 seconds. So they might end up on a real like YouTube video. Anyway, I'm here. I'm doing a mass recording because I have the energy and the mental space to do so. So stick around for this video. I think I'm gonna do a haul on the Tuan tour merch. If you don't know or don't notice, I am a Tuan fan from GOT7. I've gotten multiple of his collections. I went to go see him in DC when he stopped by, which I'm very grateful that he did a stop in DC. And I love all of GOT7. I am a collector of their stuff, but I did get his tour merch, so let me go ahead and grab that so we can start opening it. I think I might have purchased all of his merch with the exception of the vinyl. Vinyls for me, because I don't have a way to play them, I don't really see the need to purchase the vinyls. That's just me. He's been long gone and completed his American leg of the tour. I have 4 bags and I haven't crossed out my address on them. So you're gonna see, whew. But yeah, so let's get started. This one's a heavy one. There's multiple things in there. I just dropped everything. No! No! Okay, so the first thing that I pulled out of there is this vintage looking t-shirt with him, and then on the other side are his USA tour stops. And I will say, they feel so soft. And then I also did get this long sleeve shirt. Back has nothing. The sleeve does have Tuan on it. So I do like the vintage look. I don't have many, like it's a true like band shirt or whatever. Let's see. I have another t-shirt. Only downside is it's pretty sheer. But I think a lot of band shirts tend to be. I think I've seen very few like rock band shirts that are on the thicker side. This is the front. I'm living for the front. I like it. And I believe I got all of these in a 2XL. XX large, which is different than a 2XL. So another new t-shirt. This is the front, and then there's nothing on the back. So far, that real kind of distressed vintage t-shirt has all the tour dates. Everything else just has like a picture of a photo shoot. Oh, that's why. They did give me the shipping or order list, which I greatly appreciate. And I don't like from Represent, because sometimes I'm like, did I not get everything? And this is the hoodie. Black hoodie. It's the same as the shirt, the first shirt. And it also has all the tour dates for the USA stop. This sweater seems comfortable. I'm excited for this sweater. For those of you who haven't watched other videos, I have a gray sweater that I got from his second launch with collab with Represent, and it is such a tough sweater, a tough hoodie. I always compare it to that because it's really like it's not uncomfortable, like it's comfortable, like it is what it is. It's a hoodie, but it's stiff. So when you put it on, you kind of look like you're standing like this, like a box. So that's the only downside. But I love that sweater. I love the sleeves on it and everything. But it's just a thing that I've noticed. So I compare every hoodie to that sweater, because if it's softer than that sweater, it means it'll fit better and it won't make me look like boxy. Okay, here's another one. I'm also getting hungry. I went and came back and I have an exclusive black and an exclusive white tee, and there were no charges on it. So, oh, I remember why, because I bought it with a ticket. A virtual ticket, because I still wanted to see him live, and I didn't end up doing it because I fell asleep. Because I had work the next morning like a true adult. So this is for his online concert. And I did watch it after the fact. I just didn't watch it during the fact because your girl forgot that she had to work in the morning, and she was just needed to go to bed to be a functioning adult at work. And this is the tee. Nothing on the back on either one. And I think that's more because it was exclusive for that online concert than anything else. Okay, after this packet, there's one more. And then we're done. I wish I had my scissors here. And I have a feeling that I double ordered on some of these, which is fine. So, the hat. There's nothing on the back. Then I got the tote. The only reason why I didn't buy this stuff at the actual concert was because I did not want to lose my spot. I had managed to get front row, and because if you didn't know, I bought the VVIP ticket. And I was there not super early, but early enough that I was still in the front. I missed work for this concert. It was great. I didn't buy anything there and decided I was going to purchase everything online. And that way I don't have to worry about like having all of this and spending so much money, because I think online everything dropped at a different time. So it was easier. This is the front. I do like the front. Nothing on the back. Yeah, it has vintage wash care instructions. So that's cool. Okay, last two things. I don't know if these are repeats or not. Yes, I believe they are. And I said I thought that there had been some repeats on there, and I wasn't sure, but there was. It's okay. Got a repeat of the Tuan long sleeve shirt. And the nude Tuan short sleeve shirt. Was this a repeat? I can't remember. I will let you know down below. So that was it. Again, the one thing I didn't get was the vinyl. I didn't see a point to it. As much as I'm a collector, I also would like to use the things that I buy, and I don't have a way to use it or listen to it, so it was just not going to do. But yes, that is my Tuan tour merch haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Look forward to possibly any Jackson Wang tour merch. I will be going to one of his concerts later on this year for Magic Man. I'm so excited. So look out for that. If you got the tour merch, if you went to one of the stops for his tour, did you like it? How was it? He's an amazing performer. I do feel like this is controversial. I enjoyed very much his concert. However, I do feel like maybe for the DC stop, he was already he wasn't as, how do I put this, well rested. But he's still a great performer. I loved his concert. It did just seem like he was tired. So there is that. But again, if you see the pictures, the reels, the stuff that I've done with his footage, because like I look, I have really bad memory. But just looking at those videos, watching the performances over and over again, I'm just like, this man, he was already tired. He just went for it. So it was great. We're seeing that he's slowly announcing different tour stops for the rest of his world tour for the other side. Are you going to go? If you're going to the Asia tour, how excited are you? I think right now he's only dropped the Thailand stop. I'm glad to see that the boys are out and they're on their world tours. Yugyeom is doing a world tour with his company. So once those dates for the US are dropped, I am looking forward to it. I'm mad that JB didn't do his here. Or did he just not announce them? And maybe it was like somewhere else, because he just stopped. I think he just stopped at, but he came to Latin America and then he went to Europe. And then he was like, bye. I'm gone for military. I'm like, sir, you just did not come to the States. So I was upset, but we'll wait for him, I guess, for whenever he does come back. And then Youngjae Bam Bam. Jin Young's doing like a little like fan thing in Asia. I don't expect him to do something here, but if he does, I will try to go. But I will definitely be supporting all of the boys. This rant has gone on for too long. Honestly, I'm a little ranty today. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you have other friends that are into GOT7 or even just into Mark Tuan. Honestly, I understand the solo stans or the people that have found them in their solo career. That's great. That's amazing. Me? I'm not a solo stan. Could never. I will support all the boys. Until next time. Bye!